Want to optimize your Windows 11 performance? I'll guide you on how to disable non-essential services. Stay tuned for quick solutions to streamline your system and enhance overall efficiency. Right-click your Start menu button to select Run on the menu shown directly below. To open the Services window, type services.msc and press Enter. Double-click an enabled service listed on that window to open a Properties window for it. Read the service's description on the Properties window to help you decide whether it's one you need or not. Press the Stop button for the service. Then click the Disabled option on the Startup Type drop-down menu. Press the Apply button to disable the service. Click OK to close the Properties window. Press the Win+X keys and choose Run. Type MSConfig and click OK. Select the Services tab within the System Configuration window shown directly below. Deselect Service checkboxes listed there. Click Apply to save the new options. Then press OK to exit the window. Thereafter, you'll be prompted to restart Windows. Click Restart on the dialog box to apply the changes. Open the search box by pressing the magnifying glass taskbar button. Type Windows Terminal in the search box, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Then click Open a new tab and select Command Prompt there. Enter this command within the Command Prompt tab: scstop, service name, and an scconfig, service name, start =disabled. Then press the return key to run the command. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.